Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Agaro microwave oven. This is a 9 liters and I got this from Amazon for 18,999. It's actually 1899, it's not even 999. It's actually a microwave oven but it's that cheap. And I actually have two options. So one was the Pigeon 9 liters and the other one was the Agaro. To be honest, if I would have to buy a microwave oven for myself, I would probably go with a brand of LG or some sort. But it's just that I was just trying a microwave out. I was having some coupons and some vouchers that I need to use, so I just paid 500 rupees on this, and rest all was coupons and vouchers, by the way. So for this cheap, you get a microwave oven which also is a toaster and a griller. So if you eat non-veg, you can also grill in it, but there is no Rosetta in it. So Rosetta is basically the stand which helps you to cook a non-veg like chicken or something like that. I'm a pure vegetarian, so it's none of use for me. The reason why I gone with the Agaro was there's a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So the other option for me was like the Pigeon microwave oven, which was 1299, which means that everything was outright paid by a voucher itself. But there were a lot of negative reviews on Amazon, and I don't know, it was 2 inch smaller than this one. So let's quickly unbox this one. Do it this way, I guess. So box under the box. So the Pigeon one was pretty nice. It was 1399 and it means I need to pay nothing. All was voucher, and but there was a lot of negative reviews. So 80% reviews on that one was negative, 21% was good. Agaro on the other hand, 80% was good, 20% was negative. And by the way, I'm talking about here images wala review, not your paid reviews that you get on Amazon. You know, just pay, you get 100 rupees and all the stuff. But people actually using the microwave with their images and stuff. So let's find out. Now it's upside down. I need to correct it up, but that's fine. We'll remove this up. Hopefully nothing will break. There you go. So this is the tray. You get the grill, you get the pan handle, so you can remove pizzas and cake. That's pretty good, and that's a pretty nice quality here. So this is actually stainless steel. Like the Pigeon was aluminium. Steel is better than aluminium. It's more durable, and that's why the reason there's so many negative reviews for the Pigeon one, because it's aluminium, so it easily bends while shipping. I hope this doesn't bend. It looks pretty mini. It's 9 liters. It's a tiny microwave. So if you are spending 700 to 800 rupees on a Philips toaster, you can put 1000 rupees more and get a dedicated oven. This is an Indian brand, so make in India, we are supporting you here, and it's pretty good. Like, I hope nothing is broken here. Let me just remove the plastic. So let's look at the Agaro oven. You have the temperature knob, you have the timer, pretty nice glass, no scratches so far, pretty light I would say. It's brilliant. So nothing is broken, and you can see this is tray. So this tray is actually all openable, so you can actually remove this to clean it up. This was not something in the Pigeon one, but it's there in this microwave oven, so that's pretty good. So I'm not a chef, so my mom might try something out on this, so we will test this up, but for now let's quickly remove this up. Let's bring unnecessary black scissors to cut the plastic off. Let's try to boot this up for the first time. And this is the 800 watts microwave oven. So the Pigeon was 650. So there's a lot of research going on this before actually gone with the Agaro one. And they have a lot of variants from 20 liters to 40 liters. Now this one doesn't have lights and Rosetta, but if you go with the 20 liters, you get the lights and Rosetta. And look for offers, like there's serious offers. Like the, I think the 20 or 25 liters is available at like 3,500 during sale, which was not the case right now. So I opted with the 9 liters. So let's quickly connect this up. Let's see if this runs for the first time. I hope nothing is inside. Oh yeah. So there is, dear customer, thank you for choosing Agaro OTG. You may experience burning smell while using the machine for the first time. Don't worry, it is very common cost and can happen with any OTG. So in case you need further assistance, please. So the smell might be because of new elements, so that's fine. Hopefully everything is clean inside. This is 2 inches bigger than the Pigeon one, so that's pretty good. And you have the tray. So first let's try to boot this up if this works. And this is, by the to be magnetic. So can you see that? That's pretty good. Let's turn this on. Let's see if this works. Some timer. Okay, you can see the red one here. So that's pretty good. So it's working. I'm not sure. There's no lights, but the lights is here. So it's probably working. And there's a ding dong thing as well. So, oh, there's no timer. There should be a bell, I guess. But it's working nonetheless. So okay, so it actually turned off because it was heated, I guess. Because the timer is still running, but the lights went off. I think it was heated, maybe. It's similar to the, so my Masi gifted me this air fryer, which was pretty good. It was Prestige one, and that was game changer, guys, like literally. So I thought this might be too. It's a little bigger because the air fryer has a limited space, so I couldn't make pizzas in this. Here I could make pizzas, sandwiches, pretty healthy items. It's not healthy, by the way, unless you make it yourself and add some protein to it. So I can smell the burning smell they talked about, so it's there, and that is fine. They have mentioned it, but there's no ring. I think it has an auto off timer, but it doesn't have any bell, some sort of, which Prestige one had actually. So let's try to remove this up. So you get the griller, so you can grill a lot of things here, as well as you have your pan handle, so you can, I think, lift few things here from here, which is pretty good. You also get a tray, which is pretty nice, and you can use steel utensils in this, so that's a pretty good thing. Also I got a warranty, which is 1 year warranty, and it says O1 toaster griller. We have O1 indicator, timer, temperature selector, door handle, back row, back pane, tray handle, heating elements, bottom door clipper, and the crumb tray. So turn the thermostat dials clockwise to the desired temperature. Turn the timer clockwise to the desired cooking time. When the cooking time is over, the timer will auto shut off and the bell will ring. So the bell didn't ring, which I don't know why, but it was there. And the cooking finished earlier than set the cooking time. Please turn back the timer to off. Return off the oven. In order to get back to the performance, it is recommended preheat the oven about 10 to 15 minutes. So these things are similar to what was there with the air fryer. But I will test this out with mom. I'll ask my mom if she can bake me cake here. But let's find out how it goes. Maybe there's an issue with the plug here. That's why the bell didn't ring. So we'll definitely see how it actually is. So the light didn't turn on this time around. Again, no timer, by the way. Maybe just a loose connection here. Oh yeah, it turned on. So maybe just not with the 1 minute timer. It needs 5 minutes or something sort of. So that's pretty good. I will turn this off right now, and we'll be back with initial testing. So let's test this up. So I preheated the oven at 200 degrees, and there was some burning smell. So let's test this out. This is the rava cake with the sugar, rava, almonds, and some milk. So let's try this out. I will leave the recipe my mom used in the description below. So let's find out. This is the door. It opens up. Just place this right here. It's preheated already. That's good. And there's a bell. I heard it right now. I don't know why it didn't work first time. So let's try it for 15 minutes first. I think that's 15 minutes. Yeah. So let's see.
One eternity later.
So it's done. It took 50 minutes. So probably the max timer here is 30 minutes. So we need to do it 30, 20, and 25 in 5 minutes. So let's see. You can see it's almost ready. So it does work. That's pretty much for this video. Links will be in the video description. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you at the next. Bye.